Today we will do addition. I have made this number line with plots and fish. Let's count the number first, the plots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's do the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have displayed with 3 sections. It has rainbow and stars and clouds. One is the bigger one and one is the smaller one, like shortest and longest. I have these 2 groups of fishes. 1, 2. Let's count the first groups. 1, 2, 3. First number is number 3. My second group have 2 fishes. So my second number is 2. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last number is 5. So 3 and 2 makes 5. Now I have 2 groups of wings. My first group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings. My second group has 4 wings. So my first number is 5 and my second number is 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally 9. Number is 9. So 5 and 4 make 9 together. My first group have 2 glasses, 1 and 2. First number is 2. My second group have 1 glass. Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 1 makes 3 altogether. Now I have 2 groups of pencils. My first group have 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my first number is 4. My second group also have 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My second number is also 4. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 4 and 4 make 8 together. When we do addition, we go forward on number line. Let's go. 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9.
Can you go 1 more than 0? Can you go 1 more than 1?
2,
Can you go 1 more than 2? Can you go 1 more than 3? Can you go 1 more than 4? Can you go 1 more than 5? Can you go 1 more than 6? Can you go 1 more than 7? Can you go 1 more than 8? Can you go 2 more than 0?
2 more than 0, 1 and 2.
Go 2 more than 2?
4,
Can you go 2 more than 4?
6,
Can you go 2 more than 6?
8. Bye bye. I'm playing my